We all chase success, happiness, and wealth. But here's the truth. Living a rich life isn't just about making money. Today, I'll share with you how to live a truly rich life, not just financially, but mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. A rich life doesn't just mean a life full of money. A rich life means living with fulfillment, where your relationships are strong, your health is in balance, and you're actively pursuing your dreams. It's about finding harmony between your finances, your connections with others, and your inner peace. The first key to living a rich life is finding your purpose. Ask yourself, why are you living? There's no point in earning money if you don't know what drives you. Purpose gives meaning to everything you do. When you wake up each day with a reason to chase your dreams, life becomes more meaningful and fulfilling. A truly rich life is built on relationships. Whether it's family, friends, or a partner, these bonds are what bring real joy and richness to our lives. Nurture your relationships. Spend time with those who matter. It's these moments of love and connection that make life worth living. Health is wealth. No matter how much money you have, it's meaningless if you don't have your health. A rich life means taking care of your body and mind. Eat well, exercise, and make time for mental wellness. When your body and mind are in balance, you have the energy and clarity to enjoy life fully. A rich life is one of continuous growth. Never stop learning. Whether it's about your career, personal development, or simply exploring new hobbies, growth is what keeps life exciting. When you invest in yourself, you increase your value and open doors to new opportunities and experiences. The final key to living a rich life is giving back. Life becomes richer when you help others and make a positive impact. And don't forget to be grateful. Gratitude transforms what you have into enough. When you appreciate the little things, life feels more abundant. So remember, a rich life isn't just about money. It's about finding your purpose, nurturing relationships, staying healthy, growing, and giving back. Live fully, live richly. If you found this message inspiring, like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content. Stay rich in every way that matters.